Hi guys, welcome to watch WebCommander tutorial. Previously, I showed you how to run multiple commands in a workflow. Today, I'm going to demo the opposite function, that is to run a workflow or multiple workflows in a single command. Here on my screen, we have a very simple workflow of two sleep commands. To run it as a single command, we need to export the JSON string and then use a special command here, run workflow. We just paste the JSON definition here, and we need to give this workflow a name. And we use the tab drop-down list to control whether to run the commands in this workflow in serial or in parallel. And we use the action on arrow drop-down list to control whether to stop execution upon a command failure. I'll explain the other two fields later. Now let's run it. Once the execution of the command complete, we can see the result of each command in this workflow here. Because I have already saved the JSON template on the server, we could also trigger the same workflow with the URL. We just need to paste the URL in the workflow URL field. If you define both workflow and workflow URL, WebCommander will consider the two parts as oh, sorry about that. My daughter is talking to me again. So let's run them again. This time it will repeat the same workflow twice. So this time we have 4 commands totally in this workflow. And you could also use the workflow URL part to define as many workflow as you need. So let me repeat this workflow again. And this time it will run the same commands 3 times. See, you totally get a 6 command here. And another feature I need to show you is if you use variables in the workflow definition, like this one, we could pass the parameter values to the workflow template like that. So we use this workflow field to define variable values. So we have a define variables command here. Let's just export it. And paste it here. In this way, we just feed the variable values to the workflow template. Here is the result. And with this special command, we could also implement a very important feature of WebCommander, that's the embedded workflow. Let me export this command first. So originally on WebCommander, you could run a workflow in either serial or parallel. So what if we want to run some commands in serial and other commands in parallel? To achieve this goal, we need to make use of the run workflow as command function. So here we totally get 2 sleep commands and 1 command to run workflow. If I click the run parallel button, this 3 commands will execute simultaneously, but the commands defined in the third workflow, in the third command here, will run in serial because we use serial order here. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, all these 3 commands started simultaneously. And the last one runs 3 commands in serial order. So with this new command, we could design very complex workflow to meet your automation requirements. Well, you can finally turn the complex workflow into a single simple command. So in WebCommander, everything eventually becomes a single click. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.